Meaning of GMT.
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 GMT. GMT stands for Greenwich Mean Time, which is the mean solar time at the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, London. It is a time zone used as a standard reference time all around the world. GMT is equivalent to Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, and is commonly used as a reference point to calculate time differences between different time zones. It was originally used by navigators and astronomers as a reference point for calculating longitude at sea. Today, it is widely used in international communications to help coordinate events across different time zones.